Hello, and welcome to Cracking the College Cost Code, Mastering FAFSA Strategies to Maximize Your Financial Aid. This is your comprehensive guide to navigating the complex world of college financing. So if you're a parent or a guardian who feels overwhelmed by the prospect of paying for college, you're in the right place. This course is specifically designed for families who want to make informed, strategic decisions about one of the largest investments you'll ever make, your child's education. So, during our time together, you're going to discover why the published price of college rarely matches what families actually pay. And you're going to learn how to master the FAFSA process to unlock thousands in potential aid. I'm going to share with you strategic approaches to position your finances for maximum FAFSA eligibility. I'm going to guide you step by step on avoiding costly FAFSA mistakes and pitfalls. I'm going to show you techniques for interpreting and appealing financial aid offers. And we're going to talk about some additional funding sources beyond what the FAFSA provides. So, this workshop is for you if you have a student in high school or approaching high school, you're concerned about college affordability, you want to expand your students' college options, you're looking to minimize student loan debt, or you want to feel confident in your college financial decisions. Unlike the brief overview you might get at a high school financial aid night, this workshop provides in-depth, actionable FAFSA strategies that go far beyond just filling out the forms. We'll explore proven approaches that have helped hundreds of families navigate the FAFSA successfully and make college more affordable, regardless of your income level. So, if you're ready to transform confusion into confidence and take control of your college financing journey, let's begin by understanding what college really costs. And it's probably not what you think.